Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to the channel. I'm Boy Nalgas, you already know. Today we're starting off again at Little Omar's house because he got new parts. And I'm gonna let him explain really quick what he got. Or show you guys, I don't know if you want to show him.
Alright guys, so what I got for my car today, I got BC Racing coilovers. I also got phase 2 motor trend upper control arms, as well as traction rods, camper kit, and my front tie rods from Megan's Racing.
So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys really quick.
So these are my camper kits for my rear suspension.
And bottlenecks, look at that shit, Megan Racing.
We got the tie rods right here, front tie rods. Oh, right here. Yeah, a little bit of a struggle. And these are the rear traction rods. I'm still waiting on 2 other components from Megan's Racing, but I guess they're on back order, so I'm just waiting on that for the meantime. And also over here in this big box, we got our rear BC Racing coilovers.
Their newest.
Oh yeah, actually it's the newest, dude. But I wasn't too sure if is this the DC series or the DR, because on the website it says DR, but on the box it's DS, so it's either or, I guess. I mean, the front ones we already put them on because we got lucky and Robert came ahead of time, so but we'll still show you guys what we did so you guys see what was done to the car. Okay guys, so in order to loosen the rear shocks, you're gonna need a 17mm to loosen the bottom bolt. Inside your trunk, you're gonna have to loosen this bracket here that is held by 2 14mm bolts. Then you're gonna have one bolt here that's 14mm as well, and there's gonna be another one back there. And also you also have a bolt that's gonna be underneath your shock where Robert's at. So you see Robert's gonna get started on it.
Don't fucking give me the camera, I already fucking told you.
Relax. So there's a bolt that connects to the top of the mount of the shock on the bottom. You gotta loosen that one up as well. Hey, we need to relax, but we're trying to explain things for our viewers here, man.
Bro.
Come on.
We try to
be calm, bro. So I'm gonna help Robert in the meantime loosen some of the bolts. So I'm gonna let my boy Bowie take over for the moment.
Alright guys, so as you can see we got both Little Omar and Project 92 working on the car right now. They're both removing the
Hey, why are you copying me, bro?
springs.
What I'm trying to do right now.
So right now they're taking out the bottom bolt for the strut.
Dude, I can find a way.
I'll get you guys a better view of this. If Robert just kicked the fuck out of it, if you do the same, though.
I know you did.
Copy him, fool.
I'm done.
He said I'm done.
I already put everything in.
Kick that shit on me?
Kick that shit.
For real?
Dude, I haven't even loosened it.
You know you're twisting it the wrong way, right? You know it's towards you? This thing? No, it's towards you. You're supposed to pull. This one's push, the other one's pull.
True.
True that.
Got a piece. Shit straight landing on my finger right now.
There?
Yeah. Took me a minute. Oh shit, my bad, bro. Oh, nice.
Ah, dude, why am I so lazy?
Cause it's fucking Sunday, dog. Today's fucking lazy day, dog.
It's lazy day Sunday, dog. Come on.
And I'm over here got your ass working, dog.
You getting paid?
You getting paid. All that matters, guys.
Okay. So we got that bolt loose already.
What's next? Let me tell us.
Hey guys, so in order to take off the shock, you gotta loosen the 17mm bolt from the rear, the bottom of the shock, which is right here. And also before you move on to the inside of it, you want to remove this nut right here, which is the 12mm nut, in order to take out the whole shock. Have more of a catchy flow. Thank you, phone. Oh damn, dude, damn. So kind, man. Where would I be without you? Shit, man. Fucking does.
makes no sense. Why didn't you just put all 3 of them through the top?
As Mazda fool, I didn't design the fucking car. I mean,
They make it seem like you can't get to this fucking bowl.
You can, Dad.
they want to make the car more unique. It already is, bro. Come on, man.
Oh, so now I know what you're saying, but that's the bolt that you have to get under, right?
Yeah.
The one that's up there.
God damn it.
Which really makes no sense.
Well, get that. Oh, shit. That bar goes from here to here?
Yeah, when the bracket goes through there. And that's what holds that bracket. So I gotta take it off too. I can't take it off.
This nigga actually has the 99 cent.
And there you have it, guys. That's how you guys hammer the fuck out of your fucking shock. Who cares though, because you're gonna replace that shit, you know?
Can someone lower this whole thing down?
Yeah, Dad, I got you
Push
there.
it. Oh yeah, it does come with all that shit.
I'm telling you.
That's why they do it. Because the other ones don't have that.
Yeah, so I need to loosen this one right here and that one.
That's pretty fucking retarded.
I mean, that's what it is, bro.
I guess. Alright. Then I guess you have to loosen that shit.
So you do have to take that shit out?
Yeah, you have to loosen that thing.
Fucking Mazda.
Alright guys, so we're gonna remove the camper kit, which is this bar here. And also we're gonna be removing the traction rod over here, which I'm working right now. So in order to remove the traction rod, you need a 17mm bolt and a ratchet to hold it from one side. And on the other side, you're gonna use a 17mm bolt to loosen up as well. So let me get to it.
He thinks he has to hold it from the other side, but it's welded too.
Is it?
Robert is only doing it from one side.
What you mean? He's all...
It's welded on there, bud.
Really? It's whatever.
Cut.
Because that's just dancing.
Oh, we'll get a rag and put that shit right there and then bam.
It won't be the same.
Or hit the actual ball joint on that bitch.
It's not the same. You gotta loosen it up.
Well, I know that. There.
Huh?
There.
Huh?
He's dead already.
Shit, this is hard.
Take that shit for you have to die. Got that shit.
Got it.
That smile though.
Fuck yeah, this shit was hard. I was like, damn, how the fuck am I gonna take this shit off? Just keep going at it, guys. You'll find it. You'll find your way eventually.
So while we have a little Omi working on his side, I'm sure you guys really quick where Robert's at. Let me get in here a little bit. So Robert took a different approach. He loosened up the camper kit bar and then popped it out from there. You have the, yeah, you don't have the, I don't think you have these broken. Oh yeah, you do. I think you just need the 12 one that's up there.
I've done 12. It's in the trunk. That's just fucking hard. That's just so hard. Is that over there?
Pause this video right now and leave a comment down below on who you think is gonna take out their strut first. either Robert or Little Omar. Go comment.
Damn. Gets it out first, right?
The matches who gets it up first.
The matches. Now I can't take this fucking bolt off. That motherfucker's in there.
I spent $200 on new bolts.
So you got these new bolts?
Yeah.
Are you sure? So I'm about
Before you do anything,
I'm about to fuck that shit up.
Hold up.
Oh, that's just on there, bro. Shit.
That's un WD-40 también. Your hammer? Maybe the one once you take out semis with?
No, I do have those.
Even that shit blew.
He's dead.
Oh.
That shit's there. Yeah, they grind that motherfucker off.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut the back. You heard on me?
I'm not worried about it. As long as it doesn't fuck up the entrance for the other bolts. I mean, I got ones for. I got the new camper kit, so I'm not too worried.
You see that shit dead center, fucking accuracy died.
Give this video a like for Robert's accuracy.
Yeah, I fucked up the nut already. I don't think that's just coming out.
That shit is
I have new nuts
done,
too. Hey,
dude.
but I have new nuts too. They should have new nuts.
Look, the socket doesn't even go in. My bad, homie.
That shit is done, though.
Never mind. I got it.
Fucking shit.
Sure, we got Robert over here, unable to take out this fucking rusted ass bolt. And we got Omi over here, unable to fucking break his fucking ball joint where his camper kit come out.
That is crazy. Now what?
Well, guys, working on cars, shit always happens, so don't give up. Hang in there. It'll come.
Only shit happens to these cars.
Shit happens to everybody who works on cars, bro.
No, it's just Omi's.
No, just always fucking Omi, dog.
Just Omi's car.
Get a fucking RX8 fool from Utah, dog.
Hey, dog, I told you to get a Honda, so I know what you're talking about, dog.
I told her to get a Lamborghini.
How full?
Get a Lambo, bruh.
No, fuck that shit.
Alright, so I'm probably gonna come back once we got everything breaking off and we're ready to move forward. So
Do you have like the
stay tuned.
grinder?
I have the regular.
That should burn the shit out of me.
I told you wanted to man for a long time.
No, like it's burning the fucking my hairs.
Did I at least cut it?
Want the hammer? Here, take this.
Right behind you.
Told you a cut.
Don't grab it.
I know it's hot. Fuck.
Alright guys, so after Omi struggled for some good time, he finally got everything he needed to come off. So right now he's gonna start putting on his new parts, which he explained earlier in the video. So right now what he's doing is he's putting on his coilover. So as you can see, it's already in. I'm gonna hook him up. And bring that cute ass back over here. Nah, not you, homie. Get back over there.
What?
What ass?
Alright guys, so I think I last left off in the struggle of taking out the bolt, and then after grinding all that shit off, we're able to get both sides cleared, so we're not moving on. And then Robert already got his side done. Here you got the coil and the bars in there, as you can see.
It went from me working on that side to this side.
And I'm still over here trying to take off one of the bars, but he already got the coil in, and the other bar too, the camper kit bar. So he just needs to take off the traction rod right here, and then take out the old one, put in the new one, and then we should be good to slap it back together. And then he still needs to adjust his coils to the right height that he wants. But after that, then he should be done, and he should be able to drive it after he gets that alignment. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys right now when he's done.
Oh, you know what? So this is the upgrade, guys. This is my stock 2004 traction rods.
Oh.
Fucking shit, bro. Look at this. Look at it. It's rust, bro. Look at this.
Hey, fucking, hurry the fuck up.
Hey, man, relax.
Hey,
And
boy,
but look at
the
these
other part
brand
of it.
new Megan racing traction rods.
The other one, there's
Look at that blue, man. Sparkles, man.
Homie.
Beautiful.
I'll never change unless I end up with any less than $1. I'll never change unless I end up with any less than $1. I'll never change unless I end up with any less than $1. I probably got a number, chances are I didn't call her, cause most these chicks are spiteful, thinking being Hollywood's delightful, showing body just to go viral. They think it's vital, I watch the cycle. Ignorant, corrupted, living parents in the other room, not watching their children and thinking they're women because they got a little ass. A woman's a female with morals and class, and if she's living different, then I'll have to say that I passed. You and me adding up would really be some different math. I had my share of math, but I really never learned that. And if a heart is worth it, then you probably have to earn that. I should concern that I had to learn my lesson over time. I focus on my grind till the point I lost my mind. Take the lessons that I find. Most these niggas in the blind, wasting too much time watching hoes from behind. But it's just my generation, it's just my generation. People trying to follow trends all around the nation. It's like a conversation, but there's lots of segregation. So I leave the ignorance to others, cause my mind is stationed. It's just my generation, it's just my generation. People trying to follow trends all around the nation. There's like a conversation, but there's lots of segregation. So I leave the ignorance to others, cause my mind is stationed. I hope your brain can register, because I'm bringing change. We walking right paths, but we're on different lanes. Some people acting strange, never can obtain info regarding to why they're on a different page. These people acting lame, struggling to entertain. If it happens that I change, it was likely caused by pain, but knowledge that I gained kept me soaring like a plane. The people know.
Alright guys, so before it gets any later, I'm gonna end the video right here. Robert's just finishing up touching the coilovers, but there's still minor things that needs to be done to the car. Like, we forgot to put a spacer, but it's because we're gonna adjust it. And Homie still needs to install another part, and then he needs to go get it in alignment, and then his car should be able to drive. Right now he's not gonna take it out because we don't have that finished. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Homie, any last words?
It's just my generation. It's just my generation. People trying to follow trends all around the nation. It's like a conversation.
Like you said, more videos to come, more projects to come. Robert, hopefully he jumps on and does more to this S2K. But he says he's gonna leave it like that for a little while. But if you want to go follow him, I'll leave his Instagram below. I'll tag him right there as well. And then if you want to follow Omi, his Instagram is gonna be down in the link below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. It helps me a lot. See you guys next time.